folks. I know you can't really see me, but you can see my kitty. She's very cute, I know. My name is Magnolia, and I'm going to talk about something I invented with my own body. And I know you can't really see me. Blue is really cute. I'm going to talk about something called a mystic doll. And I'm also going to show you how to make one. If you are a kid, you might want one of these. They might be kind of interesting. I'm also going to show you a toy and read you a story. I know you like my cat. She's very cute. Okay. Would you like to hear the story or the book? What I'm going to make is I made a kind of doll that you write a story about, and you need a little doll to make it. First things, I'm going to read a story to you. This story is called Ruka by Magnolia, which is me. Chapter 1, My Life. Once upon a time, there was a troll named Ruka, Princess of Kraz. She asked her mom, "Why can't I go? How am I a Kra if I can't fight? If your ancestors are a Kra, you are, honey." Chapter 2, Dragon Tail. Her mom said, "Get a shirt. Go get the tail off a dragon. You are a Kra." So she did. The end. Now I'm going to show you the toy I made. This is the toy I made. She's very bendable, and she's the one I wrote about. She is the troll called Ruka. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to make one of these. First step, make the book. Step 1. To make the book, you get a piece of paper and then fold it. And then you write the title, and if you want, you can draw a person or whatever you want, or what she looks like or anything on it. And you write the title, and then you write who was by. Just write by your name. And then if you want, it could be a short story, a chapter book, a short chapter book. But if it's a chapter book, you go like chapter 1. If you want, you can write the title of the chapter, but you don't really need to do that. And then you write the words of the story if you want, and you can't really spell. You can ask your dad or your mom or anyone who's with you. And then you can write the next chapter or not, and you write the other stuff. And you can use more paper if you want to make a longer chapter book. And if you're not using a chapter book, you just write the words, but you still have to do this stuff. And you're really cute. And if you want it to be just a short story, you just write the things like I said. And if short chapter book, you write it like this. If you want it to be a long chapter book, you can add more pages, of course. But you might need glue or a stapler if you have one. So that's how you make the book. And how you make the girl is easy. You can use pretty much anything in your room if you have a rope to be able to tie it. So how I did it is I just found her pants that she used to be wearing and her boots, and then pulled them on, and then I found something for her shirt because I couldn't find it and I lost a lot of things. That's why I wrote in my diary. It's kind of not really a secret anymore. Mm-hmm. So I'll probably erase that or into something. And you can use different kind of tools to make her. If you want more videos on me and my dad, look for Magnolia's Dragons and the Lost Pinkies. Bye-bye!